Oscar Ostrich is standing on the table. He is a bit scared. He needs to observe objects all over the jungle. Oscar Ostrich is jumping once on the table. He is on his own and will only offer food for one friend. Oscar needs to get on the ground to look for Olive. Oscar jumps off the table. He tumbles over a couple of times and lands on the ground.
Oh dear, this is the only way to operate,
Oscar thought.
Oh, Oscar, I see only oranges, onions, and octopus. I think you should really ask orangutan to order organic food so that we can feed the little ostrich orphans.
It is Olive Ostrich. She often cares for little ones. Otter can't wait to have some of the oranges, onions, and octopus. He moves over on one leg and takes his own orange. Olive dances to the overture of the orchestra in the corner.
Oh, this is obviously putting oxygen into my lungs.
Oscar is enjoying all the obstacles of the forest, and he is dreaming of being number one in the Overseas Olympics.
Thank you,
Otter says to the orchestra.
May I play the organ with you?
Orangutan is enjoying the forest life. He wants to teach us about the short O phonic and the long O phonic. Listen carefully. O. Can you say that? O. Listen carefully. Can you say this? O. Repeat it. O. On. Off. Ostrich. Order. Oxygen. Over. Own. Old. Open. Owl. Olive Ostrich cannot stop dancing. Stand up and join her. She dances on off, up, down, left, right, over, under, front, behind, oh dear, Olive, you are enjoying yourself. Oscar Ostrich and Olive Ostrich had so much fun. Small O phonic. Start at the dot. Go all the way around Oscar's body. Capital O phonic. Start at the dot and make an oval around Olive Ostrich. I hope you had fun learning about the O phonic. Why not dance a little bit longer so that you can pump oxygen to your brain?